I'm Linda Edwards, the Cooking Chemist. I want to show you a new product that came out in September of 2020. This is the Digital Kitchen Scale. I love this because it is so sleek and beautiful, and it measures so accurately and easily, being digital. So all you do is you want to turn it on by holding the button there. And when it comes to 0, then you can place something directly on it if you want to, or you can use a bowl of any sort. You know, I can use a cereal bowl or a prep bowl or whatever size bowl I want, or even like wax paper if I want to put something on. But whatever you put on, that's going to obviously show weight. So then you want to push the tare button and it goes to 0. Once it goes to 0, then you can add your food and you know exactly what weight it is. You can do it in ounces, pounds, or grams. With ounces and pounds, it gives you 2 decimal places, which I really love because I'm a whatever you call it, precision freak. For grams, it does not do any decimal places because grams are so small compared to an ounce that this would have to be hundreds of dollars instead of the inexpensive $35 that it is. This is an amazing tool for $35. This, you can weigh out your stuff. I like to buy big packages of ground meat, and I use something like this, and I put my ground meat in and weigh out half-pound packages in little sandwich bags. And so I divide up like a 4.5-pound package of ground meat into little half-pound packages and freeze it. And so it's just wonderful. And then of course you just turn it off by doing this. So this is really something that you'll want to have. So I'll talk to you next time.